Hi, have you gathered all your receipts from the items you have purchased for the ASI elections but not sure where to start? Let me help you run through it. So, all candidates must complete an expenditure form even if they don't have any money. Yes, even if you did not spend any money, you are still required to fill out a report. Expenditure reports must be turned into the ASI government office in person no later than Monday following the week of voting. Not sure where to start? Let's look at what you should be gathering up to complete the form. The ASI Expenditure Report form can be found here on the ASI website under the Policies in Form and Applications. Gather all your receipts. Did you purchase poster boards at Target? How about buttons purchased off of Amazon? Did your grandma give you $25 to support your run for office? Did your roommate give you $25 donated worth of paint for your campaign board? Don't forget about the Instagram ads you also purchased. Got all your receipts? Great. Let's complete the paperwork. Every expenditure report must include an attached receipt of each item purchased, including the business name and telephone number of the seller, tax, and shipping. In the item category, you will write in the item purchased, followed by the quantity. Check off if the item was either a full purchase, donation, rental, or discounted sale item. Write down the total cost of the item, being sure to include any taxes or ad shopping with the base cost. Now, in the comment section, you will also write in the comment advising if the receipt is either attached or a reference to the donation disclosure form. Once you've collected and organized all of your receipts and the campaign financial data, add it all up, being sure to include the tax, cost, ad shopping, and donation for a total amount. Say, for example, you receive a $30 donation from your grandma to help support your campaign, or your roommate donates $10 worth of tape. These donations will need to be disclosed via the donation disclosure form. Each candidate is limited to receiving up to 2 donations and a total amount of $50. To complete the form, you would follow the same steps as you did with the original expenditure report. Fill in what item or funds were donated in the item section, followed by the quantity of net items, and if any money, please fill in how many transactions occurred between each party. Check off the type of donation. Was it a rental, full donation, or discounted sale item? The fair market value section is where you will fill in the cost of each independent item, being sure to include the tax, shipping, and business name or number. The comment section should also be used to notify the origin of the item or if the original receipt is attached. After you have filled out the sections, be sure to write in who the donation came from, as well as the contact info of either a phone number and email address. And if you did not receive any donations, cross through or write none. At the end, sign off with your signature followed by the date. Now that you have completed your expenditure report and donation disclosure form, be sure to get them turned in to the ASI government office before 4 p.m. Monday following the week of voting days. The report and forms must be personally turned in from the candidates running, and if you are part of the presidential ticket, you both must turn in the form together. Now, the office is going to be located on the 3rd floor of the University Union in room 3250, and failure to submit these forms in a timely manner will result in a disqualification from the ASI Board of Directors. Any student, including yourself, is allowed to view the candidate expenditure report binder located in the ASI government office during normal business hours. To view the binder, please bring in a SAC state or DMV issued ID to look through the submitted reports. I hope this provided you with the key insight into how to complete your expenditure report. If you have any questions, please come by the ASI government office to seek help or email the ASI elections officer at asi-ogeo@csus.edu.